Okay, guys. So my last video, ChatGPT claimed that Ireland never qualified for the World Cup, and I asked it if it was sure, and it said yes. And then I asked it about Italy because Italy defeated Ireland in the quarterfinal, and it went from bad to worse, and it just got so many stats wrong about the 1990 World Cup. So I'm gonna go back to the 1990 World Cup because I wanted, because I'm a proud Irishman, I want to get it to admit that it's wrong about Ireland. So I'm gonna try and get to the bottom of this and get it to admit that it was wrong, and I'm gonna give it a piece of my mind. So I decided to ask it this question: who participated in Group H of the 1990 World Cup? And this is what it said. It was made up of the following teams: Belgium, Italy, Uruguay, and the Republic of Ireland. So after it claimed that Ireland didn't qualify for the World Cup, and I'll just scroll up to the previous conversation, I asked, did Ireland qualify for the 1990 World Cup? It said no, Ireland did not qualify for the 1990 World Cup. The Irish national soccer team has never qualified for the World Cup. Yet down here, it's telling me that it was in Group H of the World Cup. Now, here is just more lies, misinformation, whatever you want to call it, because in Group H, Ireland was in it, but these other three teams were not. Uruguay, Italy, and Belgium were not in the same group as Ireland. It was Ireland, England, the Netherlands, and Egypt. And it's claiming that these other three teams were in the same group as Ireland. Wrong. So then it says the group stage of the World Cup took place from blah blah these dates. Belgium finished in first with 6 points, followed by Italy and Uruguay, and then Ireland, who finished with 0 points. This is totally wrong. Belgium advanced to the knockout stage. Italy advanced as the two best runners. This is total fiction. The Republic of Ireland was eliminated from the tournament. No, Ireland qualified from the group they were in. Egypt were knocked out, and England and the Netherlands and Ireland all qualified for the next for the knockout stage. So this statement here at the bottom, Ireland was eliminated from the tournament, is wrong. And even if that fact was right, they are saying that Ireland were actually in the tournament. Okay, so now I'm gonna ask it: did Ireland participate in the 1990 World Cup? Before it said no, and it had never participated in any World Cup. And here it's spitting out this half-assed information about Group H, where it did say Ireland were in it. So let's see if it will correct itself on at least this much. So it's saying Ireland has never participated in the 1990 World Cup or any other World Cup, and yet up here Ireland were in Group H of the 1990 World Cup with 3 teams that weren't in that group. Oh my god. Okay, guys, let's try this one. But you said Ireland was in Group H of the 1990 World Cup. See what happens. Oh, I apologize for a mistake. The Republic of Ireland was not in Group H. It was made up of Belgium, Italy, Uruguay, and the Republic of Ireland. Okay. Okay, so let's just... So, the Republic of Ireland was not in Group H of the 1990 World Cup. Group H of the 1990 World Cup was made up of Belgium, Italy, Uruguay, and the Republic of Ireland. I just don't know what to say. I apologize for the mistake. I apologize for any confusion my previous message may have caused. Please let me know. Oh my god. Okay, I'm just gonna say you contradicted yourself here. I apologize. Did not participate. That was just going back to like all this nonsense about the European Championship, a different tournament. So guys, just look at this. Look at this contradiction, and it's apologizing, but it's not. It's not recognizing what the contradiction is. All right, let's move on to 1994. Did Ireland participate? Did real answer is yes. Now it's probably going to say no. They never qualified for the World Cup, guys. Okay, is that a fact? Well, let's ask another question. Okay, so who did the Netherlands defeat in the last 16 of the 1994 World Cup? The answer is Ireland. Oh, it got it right. Actually think they got the stadium wrong here. The Giant Stadium in East Rutherford, New Jersey. I don't think it took place there, but it did actually get this much right. The Netherlands defeated Ireland in the last 16, also known as the round of 16. They won 2-0. Brian Roy and Burke. I think that's correct, if I remember correctly. And this is correct too. Netherlands went on to reach the quarterfinals where they were defeated by Brazil. Okay, so just to confirm my hunch was correct. The Netherlands defeated Ireland 2-0, but it was in the Citrus Bowl, Orlando. Citrus Bowl, Orlando. Right? So it said East Rutherford, New Jersey. That was incorrect. And look at who the goal scorers were. Bergkamp after 11 minutes and Jonk after 41 minutes. So let's go back and see what it said. It said it was Brian Roy and Dennis Bergkamp. So Bergkamp was correct, but they got the minute wrong. Brian Roy is completely wrong. It was Jonk, Wim Jonk, I think his name was. So it at least got Ireland correct here. So I'm going to ask this obvious question. So did Ireland participate in the 1994 World Cup or not? No. Oh my God. What is this? So it said no, Ireland did not participate here. And now let's read the second paragraph. I apologize for any confusion that my previous messages may have caused. The Netherlands did defeat Ireland in a soccer match in 1994, but it was not part of the FIFA World Cup. Instead, it was a friendly match that took place on the 18th of June at Giant Stadium, East Rutherford, New Jersey. The Netherlands. So now it's saying the game was a friendly and not a World Cup game. The 18th of June. And the actual game took place in July 4th. I'm not aware of a friendly match between Ireland and the Netherlands in June. That doesn't make sense to me. Maybe there was, but I doubt it. I think it's just so messed up. And it actually said in the previous question that it was in the last 16 of the World Cup. This game. Let's go back. The Netherlands defeated Ireland in the last 16. And it's saying it took place in East Rutherford, New Jersey on the 18th of June. And now it's saying this game on the 18th of June, which I doubt happened, was a friendly. So I'm pretty sure that didn't happen. And I apologize for any misunderstanding that may have occurred. Please let me know if you have any other questions. Oh my God. This is just frying my brain right now. I could go on, but I'm just going to end the video right now, guys. And I'll do another video on something else later, maybe more soccer stats. But if you have any suggestions, just let me know. If there's any subjects you're interested in and you want to see how the AI answers them, just let me know in the comments. And obviously, please subscribe and put in a comment, like the video. So until next time, see you all later.